Hi, this is Mike with EFI Connection. We will be bringing you a video series about wire harness assembly using preferred production tooling by Rennsteig tools. While Rennsteig offers a wide variety of tools, we will be focusing on tools for GM wire harness assembly. So stay tuned. We're going to use Rennsteig's MultiStrip 10 tool. We'll do the 16 gauge wire first. All you have to do is get it in the metal jaws and pull. Same thing for the 18 gauge wire, and the same thing for the 20 gauge wire. Next, what we'll do is grab a terminal that was designed by the manufacturer to be crimped to an 18 or 16 gauge wire. Now, what's important to note here is if you don't have the correct crimp die for this terminal, you are not going to get a consistent crimp, and you're not going to have a universal crimp. There is not a way to have one general repair generic type tool that can use the 16 to 18 gauge to provide the correct crimp height and width for both 16 and 18 gauge wire. Now we are going to crimp a 16 gauge wire onto the terminal that was designed for 16 or 18 gauge wire. We're going to open the locator, insert the terminal, close the locator. With the 16 gauge wire, we're going to install this until it stops at the end of the locator. Now it's going to be held firmly in the locator until we open it. There's the resulting crimp. Do the same thing in the 18 gauge slot. Notice how the crimp does both the copper core and the insulation in one crimp. Now we have production spec crimps for the 16, 18, and 20 gauge wire. Thanks for watching our video. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit us online at EFIConnection.com.